Hey Sleepover Business Besties, it's Carmen, and today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to take you with me on a weekend vlog. I've done this before, however, I only took you to the parties. This weekend, I'm taking you everywhere. So today is Friday, time is 8:50, and we are headed to storage. Well, I'm headed to storage, and I'm going to meet my assistant there, and we are going to finish packing for a glow party of 6, and then we're going to head to the customer's house and we're going to set up. So let's go. All right, so I am headed to storage now. My assistant just texted me and told me that she would be a little bit late, which is fine. I mean, it's 8:56. We're supposed to meet at 9. She said a road was closed or something, but neither one of us live really far from my storage. Like, I literally live like 3 minutes away from my storage unit, so it's all good. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about some things I want to do today. So after the party, I want to, before I have to go get my daughter from school, I want to work out. So whether that be at my gym or at home, I do want to do that. I want to straighten up a bit. I want to record some other YouTube videos, like, you know, like the regular kind, with the topic. Still thinking of the topics. So I want to record a couple videos so that I can remain consistent. I have 2 shirts and some HTV vinyl that I want to, you know, make some business shirts with the logo. What else do I want to do? Oh, I want to straighten up my house. And I think that's all I want to get done before 5 o'clock when I head to get my daughter. All right, we made it to storage. I made some new glow-in-the-dark pillows, so I need to put those on the pillows. In the meantime, we are testing mattresses. You can see and seeing which ones this is good. See, this one's really bad. This is bad. This one's okay. So you have to replace these mattresses every so often. It hasn't been that bad, honestly, but yeah, it is what it is. I guess it comes with the territory. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. All right, so we're at the house. The first space does not work, so she's moving us into the basement, and there's a lot of kids' toys and stuff in the basement. So we're gonna work around her and start setting up. So I just wanted to show you the layout of the room. This setup went really well. I just want you guys to keep in mind, when you have 2 people, you should have a system. So our system is my assistant blows up the mattresses and she puts on the sheets. I steam the tents. And then once we're both done doing our duties, we both add the decor. What time did you record outside? I don't remember. Oh, I could look at the time. Hey guys, we are done with the party. I'm going to show you a quick view of that and how everything turned out. Okay. So here's everything. The new glow pillows I did last night look really good. I really like that. I'm going to turn off the lights and see how it looks in just a moment. I tell people all the time, to achieve a glow-in-the-dark party, all you need is black lights and neon color vinyl for your pillows. That is all you need to make everything glow. That is all that we use here. You could use like a neon banner or anything like that. We don't, however, because they do tangle quite a bit. But all you need is your black light. Okay guys, the time is now 11:09. I think it took us maybe about an hour to do everything. So yeah, now we are headed back to storage so I can take Nija to her car.
Stop recording me.
Sorry, she said I didn't consent for her to record her. So anyway, so I'm gonna take her back to her car, and then I'm gonna do some sort of workout. I don't know what. So yeah. All right, friends, I am back at home. The time is like 12:17. So what I'm going to do is like a quick 20-30 minute workout. And then after that, I'm going to do some quick house cleaning. And then I kind of need to wash my hair. So I'll probably do that. And then we'll see what else I get into today. I'm trying to put forth effort to work out at least 3 to 4 days a week, just so that I can just be a better version of myself. So here it is. The washer's not too loud. I am washing clothes, but I had something I wanted to show you guys really quick. I purchased a kind of like a budgeting planner, keep your money in here, little notebook thing. So I'm going to open that and show you guys. I guess I should give some backstory. So I moved and I downsized in order to basically save money because I want to buy a house, and I want to do so within the next 1 to 2 years. I had a house before. I bought my first house when I was probably like 26 years old. A really nice house in a really nice neighborhood. I bought it in, I think it was probably about 14 or 15. Had it for a couple years. And it was like, okay, I'm ready to move. I'm ready to buy another house. I have a child now, blah, blah, blah. Well, before I could move, Corona hit, the housing market shot up, and everything changed, especially here in my city, Columbus, Ohio. Anyway, so I took a look at my finances, and I'm like, okay, I got a budget. I got to figure some stuff out, whatever. So I bought this off of Amazon, and it is one of those like budget planner things, and I really want to budget and plan my money. And here's where you keep your money. So I'll carry this around sort of like a wallet. What kind of is a wallet? See, like here, your cards and stuff can go. And then I will label all of my envelopes. Drop something there, well. All of my envelopes with different things. So you can see kids, Christmas, shopping, household bills, you know. So I have all of these stickers to put on my envelopes and put on my cute little rose gold planner. This was probably about, I don't know, $10. I'll link it in the bio just in case you are interested. But now the time is actually, oh, my watch is still going from my workout. I just finished my workout. It is 1:06. Time flies when you don't have anything to do. So Friday is my free day. I don't work. So I'm going to clean up. I'm going to show that. I'm not embarrassed. I should be, but I'm not. I'm going to clean up, and then I'm going to wash my hair and probably try to do some YouTube recording content or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned. I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes I struggle with just balancing in life, just making sure that, I'm taking care of my home, taking care of my daughter, taking care of myself, and trying to run and grow a business. And of course, also I work, so that's why I kind of added this part in, just because it can get really hectic in my house. And I'm like, I just decided to sculpt out times of day to just get certain things done, whether that be cleaning, whether that be something for me as simple as just making sure, okay, you need to get your hair, you need to wash your hair, or you need to, whatever, fold some laundry, because I had the tendency to just let stuff go, but I am no longer doing that. And that is why, I decided to show myself. I took about probably an hour just to straighten up around the house. So the kitchen, dining area, and living space are pretty clean. So now I think I'm gonna wash my hair and kind of just do some, I don't know, some personal me stuff. Get myself a facial, paint my nails. I don't know, but I am not going to do anything business related. No cleaning. I'm just gonna try to chill for a little bit. I have about 3.5 hours before I have to pick up Bristol feel like sometimes as moms, we do, we let things get in the way of like cleaning or personal care, and I'm definitely guilty of that. So I'm looking crazy right now. So I want to take some time, wash my hair, do something to it, and yeah, we'll see where we go there from that. Hi guys, it is Saturday morning. I am running late. I was supposed to be here at 8:30. It is 8:50, but it's okay. So last night I did get to wash my hair. Thank God. What else did I do? I finished up a series I was watching. I did a couple loads of laundry. Then I went to go pick up Bristol. We hung out for a little bit. Then I took her over her grandmother's where they do art projects, stay up all night and eat pizza. That's fine. Then I got up this morning and I am here. So there's some stuff that needs to kind of finish being rearranged and packed. And then we are going to head out. And I will talk to you guys soon. Here's a quick layout of the space. This was a good space. And everything went well during this. However, I'll talk to you about it in my next clip because this is just a voiceover that I'm doing after. But can you see the dad here? He had me move the beds and rearrange, but eventually, I put it back the way it was because that was the best layout. Another thing, I always tell my assistant to do everything before we leave the storage and to double check everything. We were short 2 pillows and one of those mermaid tail lights did not work. It has a short. Had we checked everything before we left storage, we would not have ran into that issue. So we just finished the party, and I don't know if you can see it on the time lapse because it was moving fast, but the dad was in the way. He pulled out a tape. I knew once he pulled out a tape measure that he was gonna do some stuff. So he wanted to change the layout, but it just really didn't work because he wanted them in front of the TV. He started moving beds and moving stuff. I'm pretty cool. Nija, that helps me, is not. Then one of our beds was a full-size bed, I think, but luckily we always keep an extra mattress with us, so that wasn't a problem. But somehow I got a queen-size bed in a big Walmart pickup order that I did to because we needed extra mattresses, and I bought probably 10 of them. So one of them was a queen on accident, or a queen or a full. But anyway, so yeah, that went okay, but the dad was just too much. But anyway, so now we're gonna run a couple errands, and then we're gonna go to the pickup, and I'll bring you guys along with me on that. So pickup went well here. However, it was a mess. There was candy and all types of trash and stuff on the trays. It doesn't really bother me at all, but I just don't want anybody to be shocked if you haven't done a party pickup, or if all your party pickups have been great. Sometimes you'll get damages, sometimes it'll be a mess, or whatever the case is. But I just don't be alarmed because we are dealing with kids as our customers. It is 1:05 and I am done with parties for today. At 2 o'clock, I have to go get my daughter from competitive cheer practice, so I would do that. She has a birthday party she got invited to, but she's saying she doesn't want to go. She's only 6. I kind of want to make her go. I'm not sure if I'm going to make her go or not, but I'm going to go home and do some laundry and get ready to pick Bristol up, and I'll see you guys soon. So after I picked Bristol up, we went and got some ice cream from this frozen yogurt shop with one of her friends from cheer, and she actually took this video, so I just decided to add it in the vlog. Guys, it is Sunday and it is 10:37 a.m. I am headed to my pickup for today, and I will be doing it alone. I usually do take my assistant to every pickup. I don't know if it's out of habit or what, because I could do it alone, but I usually have her go. But she called me early this morning and said that she is having some pain, and that kind of comes with the territory. So this wasn't really planned, but it's okay because I am capable. I'm able to do it. So I am going to do it. Let's hope nothing is broken, dirty, filthy to where it won't come out or anything like that. Typically that does not happen, but again, that's why your damage deposit is in place. So let's go. All right, guys, the pickup is done. The time is 12:41. And that's only because the people's house, it was about 40 minutes away from me. And so that's 40 minutes there, 40 minutes back. Plus, I stopped and got some food, and I stopped at storage already. So I am done with parties for today. I did not unpack anything. I probably will Tuesday, even though my assistant typically does that. But I think Tuesday I want to get back in the swing of things because she's pregnant. So pretty soon she's not going to do anything. And I can kind of sense that she's getting, I don't know, tired. She's doing a little less. So I want to jump back in the swing of things because I stopped packing. I stopped unpacking. I stopped doing all of that, because she was doing it. But now I'm like, okay, you need to get ready to start doing that again. So anyway, I'm on my way home. I'm probably going to do some laundry, pick up Bristol, and then she has a birthday party to go to. So yeah. Okay guys, it is Sunday evening and it is 9:04 p.m. I just got back from cheerleading practice. Bristol does competitive cheer from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and I helped them coach, so I was there the entire time. Before that, she got invited to a birthday party. That was from 3 to 5. During that time, I ran and I went to the grocery store to get that out the way. And now this evening, I'm going to finish some laundry. And I have some light meal prepping that I want to do before I go to bed. So I have to do that. Straighten up the kitchen after I'm done. I need to create my content for the week, which I don't do much content. I do my party of the weekend. I'm gonna put a picture here, or like my weekend recap or whatever. I do like my little checklist for the week. I'll probably just try to do all of those today. And what else do I need to do tonight? Fold some clothes, do my meal prep, do some content creating, and then there is something I need to do for cheer. Yes, so I'll be going to bed pretty late, but that is the end of the video. I just kind of wanted to bring you more into my world, into my life. I really like the idea of vlogging, so I decided to do my own. If this is something you're interested in or something you like, please give me a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me how your weekend goes. Tell me if you like these type of videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.